When was the last time you actually rested? Not laying in bed while your brain doom scrolls your entire life. Not watching TikTok for 3 hours and calling it me time. Not collapsing into bed after white-knuckling through another day. I'm talking about real rest. The kind where you wake up and don't immediately want to go back to sleep. Where your mind feels clear. Your body feels like it actually belongs to you. And you feel alive instead of just conscious. Most people haven't felt that in years. You're tired because your brain has forgotten what real rest even is. I know because for years I lived at a permanent 7%. Tired in the morning. Tired after sleeping. Tired when nothing was even happening. It felt like my soul was buffering. The truth is, your body isn't tired. Your nervous system is fried. Today, we're going to fix that. Chapter 1. Why you think you're tired, but you're wrong. We've been trained to think exhaustion is a sleep problem. So what do? We sleep more. We nap more. We go to bed early. And we still wake up tired, then panic like something deep is wrong with us. But you're not dealing with a sleep problem. You're dealing with a stimulation problem. We live in the noisiest era in human history. Scrolling, notifications, group chats, deadlines, constant input, no silence, ever. Your nervous system is cooked. You're not tired. You're overstimulated and underrested. There's a huge difference. This is why you can lay in bed for 9 hours and still wake up at level 2 out of 100. Chapter 2. Fake rest versus real rest. Most of what we call rest is actually fake rest. Fake rest feels good while you're doing it, but you feel worse after. Scrolling equals dopamine crumbs. Binge watching equals sensory overload. Lying down and overthinking equals stress with extra steps. Your body stops moving, but your mind is still sprinting. Fake rest gives your body a break, while wrecking your mind. Real rest restores your nervous system, lowers stimulation, and pulls you out of survival mode. Real rest isn't entertainment. Real rest is restoration. Chapter 3. The 7 types of real rest. There are 7 types of rest, and sleep is only one of them. Let's make this simple. 1. Physical rest. Sleeping, slowing down, stretching. 2. Mental rest. Quiet. Pauses. Turning off the internal commentary. 3. Emotional rest. Being honest. Not performing. Not pretending. 4. Sensory rest. Silence. Dim light. No notifications. 5. Social rest. People who don't drain you. Or just being alone without guilt. 6. Creative rest. Doing things with no pressure, doodling, cooking without a recipe, and letting your brain wander. 7. Spiritual rest. Grounding yourself instead of living in your head. Remembering that your life is bigger than deadlines and notifications, and letting yourself exist without trying to be anything. Here's the key. If you use the wrong type of rest for the wrong type of exhaustion, you stay tired. That's why sleep doesn't fix emotional burnout. Scrolling doesn't fix mental overload. And vacations don't fix existential exhaustion. You have to match the rest to the problem. Chapter 4. Why your brain avoids real rest. If real rest is so good, why do we avoid it? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Rest makes everything you've been avoiding show up. The moment you slow down, all the feelings you stuffed away come back. Anxiety, burnout, disappointment, loneliness, whatever's unfinished. So you distract yourself. Reason 2. Your brain is addicted to stimulation. Scrolling, fast cuts, noise, your brain gets hooked. Then when you sit in silence for 10 seconds, it panics. We're bored. We're dying. Turn something on. You're not bored. You're detoxing. Reason 3. You think rest has to be earned. Growing up, you heard, don't be lazy. Keep moving. Use your time wisely. Breaks are for later. So even when you're drained, your brain whispers, keep going. You don't deserve a break yet. You weren't taught recovery. You were taught self-neglect. Chapter 5. How to actually rest. These are the things that actually reset you. 1. The 10-minute nervous system reset. Sit down. Silence. Deep breathing. No screens. No input. Your brain will hate it at first. That's how you know you need it. 2. Micro rest. Tiny resets during the day prevent huge crashes. 60 seconds, eyes closed. 2 minutes, deep breathing. 5 minutes outside. 1 minute stretching. 3-minute walk. Small resets equals big recovery. 3. Match the rest to your exhaustion. If your mind is tired, you need silence. If your emotions are drained, you need honesty. If you're socially burnt out, you need time alone. If your senses are overloaded, you need darkness and quiet. And if you're creatively blocked, you need low-stakes creativity, something fun, not productive. This is how you finally stop waking up tired. 4. Say no more often. Half your exhaustion comes from things you said yes to out of guilt. Learning to say no restores energy faster than any supplement. 5. Let yourself be bored. Boredom is where recovery happens, where creativity returns, where clarity shows up. You can't heal in constant stimulation. You're tired because your nervous system has been running in emergency mode for years. You don't need a productivity hack. You don't need a new morning routine. You need rest, real rest. Exhaustion is a warning sign, and rest finally lets your life work.